just like this. Okay, so it's done. Let's come with this hat. Okay, it's brown hat, so let's color the brown color. First of all, draw like from here like this. Oh, it's not brown color, I don't know what color it is. This, it's kind of some kind of yellowish color. Okay, and the middle of his hat is red line like this, and some ash color for his head's feather, just like this. Okay, don't press too much hard, just a little bit of effort and it will be done. Okay, as you can see, it already looks so nice, and his entire body will be some green color. So his little red eyes like this, just look good by the way, and yellow face like this. Okay, okay, and now the middle little part of here, it should be this light green for this little downside of his belly. Let's go like this. Okay, okay, it's gonna look nice by the way, and it's done. And now for the this kind of area, I should use this little bit of light here. It's very sensitive area, so do it nice and smoothly. Okay, don't press too much hard when you are drawing a dinosaur like this. Okay, just draw like this. Okay, it's done. And now entire body will be this green color. So let's get started with this, some green color. Leave the sensitive area for using the pencil color. If you don't want to ruin your drawing, just as you can see, it's some kind of nothing, don't look so good. It's all over the body, and it's some kind of it's already looks so nice, as you can see. And I'm gonna leave this his nail white because it's white color nails, so I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, I don't draw the nail, so it's almost done. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, it's kinda done. Let's draw it here. And this little light can be the grass like this. Okay, just draw it randomly like this, and it will be done. Just like this. So now our dinosaur is done. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.